Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did a yellow glitter cut crease look for you guys using only the James Charles palette once again. So we're just going to hop right into it. The first shade I am taking is called No Beans, and I'm taking it on a e.l.f. flat round brush and I'm packing it into the crease. Then I'm taking the same brush with hardly any product on and just kind of fluffing it outwards to form the cut crease outline. Then I'm taking a Wet n Wild blending brush and just fluffing it outwards to have no harsh lines. The next shade I'm taking is called 10% Off, and I'm doing the exact same thing with the same brush, and it's just going above the shade No Beans, but we're just doing literally the exact same thing. Then I'm taking a bigger blending brush and just blending it all together. And I'm going back to the shade No Beans and taking it on a smaller flat brush. I don't have the name for this, but I am placing where we placed No Beans earlier. I just wanted to darken it. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild blending brush and I'm lightly going over No Beans just to have no harsh lines. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer on a flat round brush and I am just cutting out my crease. After cutting out your crease is what you should have so far. Now I'm going on with the shade B on the flat side of the Naked 3 brush and just packing it on the concealer. Now moving on to winged eyeliner, I'm just going to put some tape and try to match it up with my other eye. But I'm going to do my winged eyeliner with the Mary Kay gel eyeliner. Eyeliner is on and now I'm going to move on to the glitter part. So I'm taking my Bitsy glitter glue on a smaller flat brush and placing it over the shade No Beans. Now I'm taking my Bitsy glitter called Silver Lining with the same brush and just placing it over the glue. If you guys have glitter eyeliner, this would be so much easier, but I do not have those yet. I am ordering some. Then I'm taking the shade Ring Light and placing that on my brow bone with a flat brush just to highlight it. Then after that, we are done with the eyes. We're going to be moving on to the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Code James with the back side of the Naked 3 brush and just placing that on the lower lash line. I did already put black eyeliner in my waterline. Now taking the shade Ring Light once again and putting that in the inner corner to highlight it. Then I'm just popping on some mascara. This is the telescopic mascara from the drugstore. It is so good, I highly recommend. And then pop on your favorite falsies and then the look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye!